This quick video will show you how to load a student roster into Epic to load the students in a hurry. So you'll normally, when you sign in, you're automatically in Browse. You'll just click on Dashboard, and when you get to Dashboard, down here in the lower right hand corner, you'll see you can import through Google Classroom, which I haven't had a whole lot of luck with, but importing with CSV has worked out pretty well. So I'm going to show you how to do that import with a CSV. What you'll need to do is use the Epic template. Here's the Epic template, and in that you'll have the headers. These are the headers that you have: first name, last name, PIN, and email. So the PIN, just for lower level, kindergarten, first, second grade, whatever, I just do 1111. It needs to be 4 digits. With kids that are a little bit older, what I do is I do their ID number, and then email I leave blank because they don't need to have an email. If you're and the student ID or the PIN number can only be 4 numbers, and so a little trick that I do with that is I'll get rid of the capital A $ on these in a hurry by just doing a find and replace. So if you do Control F, you get a find. If I do replace capital A $ and don't even tab over, I'll replace all, and you'll see that they made 2 replacements and got rid of the capital A $. So you can do that for a whole column at a time. Then unfortunately you do have to click through and backspace to make them 4 digits. But I do the first 4 numbers of their ID just because that's easy for them to remember and to do. So that would be their PIN for older grades that maybe you might have some kids goofing around and signing in as somebody else. Sometimes it won't load correctly, and so typically what I do even before I load this the first time is I'll go through, and for some reason it has a problem with the second row when I've imported information. And so what I'll do is I'll take and copy out whatever's here. Oops, copy out whatever's here. Do Control C, and I paste it to my bottom of the list. And then I go back up to the top, and I'll literally delete row 2. Hit save and do that kind of thing, and then I'll import it. If you don't do that step, sometimes you'll have an error when you try to import the data. Once you've got that CSV file set up, so it starts out as an Excel and then saves as a CSV, you just click on Import CSV, you scroll down, and here's where you could get the template in the beginning, but then you hit Upload CSV. Remember, the email is optional, and the PIN number is actually there too, but upload that CSV. Go find your CSV, and so mine was on my desktop, and you're going to double click that. And so this is the error that you probably end up with for row 0. It's your row 2. But if you do the fix that I showed you, it should be taken care of. So that's how you import a CSV file into your Epic Classroom so that the students have their own unique pins, or just the same pin as everybody else. That's it.